This video explains how to adjust the print positions of the TTO printer traverse unit. The procedure covers manual positioning, mechanical alignment, and a final print test. On the main screen, use manual forward and manual reverse to jog the traverse. Watch the current position value while making adjustments. Before any manual movement, put the printer offline and fully retract the print head. Make sure it is clear of the traverse and backplate. Otherwise, a collision may scratch or damage the print head. Jog the carriage close to the first target position. Then extend the printhead and compare the actual print location with the film or product. If the position needs to move left or right, retract the printhead first. Use manual forward or manual reverse in small steps, and extend the printhead again to recheck. When the first position is correct, retract the printhead and record the current coordinate shown on the screen. Enter this value in the print position 1 parameter. Repeat the same procedure for print positions 2 and 3. Jog the carriage, extend the printhead only for checking, and fine-tune until every position is aligned. After recording all position values, retract the printhead again before continuing to the mechanical adjustment. Now align the mechanical back plate or stop block with each printing position. Loosen the fastener, slide the part to the required location, and secure it again. Adjust the remaining positions in the same way. Whenever the carriage or back plate is moved, the printhead must remain fully retracted and clear. This prevents rubbing, impact, and damage. After all positions have been set, return to the control interface and prepare an overall test. Switch back to automatic operation so the traverse returns to its initial position. Select the required print position settings and make sure the system is in the run state. The start test command will not move the traverse while the system is stopped. Start the test. The traverse moves to each programmed position and the TTO printer prints the corresponding message. Observe the movement and printing sequence. Check every printed result and its location. If an offset remains, fine-tune the relevant position value or mechanical stop. Then repeat the test.